What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways to make $1,000 per week with no job at all. And all these ways, guys, are going to be ways that you can make money online. So super excited to bring this video to you guys. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of ways on how to grow on YouTube, how to grow an online business, and how to grow an affiliate marketing business as well. So if you guys want to learn more, I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. Click subscribe, guys, and let's go and get started. So why did I say $1,000 a month, right? So when I worked as an electrical engineer, that's kind of how much I was making per month or per week, is $1,000 per week, right? So these 7 ways that I'm going to give you, you can very easily make $1,000 per week, okay? Now, that being said, you're going to have to hustle a little bit. You're going to have to definitely put in some work, right? There's still jobs from home, but what I'm saying is you don't have a job right now. If you're just looking for ways to make money from home, I'm going to give you 7 awesome websites to do that. And the last one, guys, is going to be a way that you can do it passively and automated. So stick to the end. I'm excited to show you that, okay? All right. So the first one is focus groups, okay? Focus groups is an awesome way to make some really good money. So basically what it is you get together in a group. It's basically a paid focus group, and you test new products, you test new snacks, beverages, watch TV shows. It's literally just a group of people getting together and you're analyzing certain things, okay? Really easy. They basically pay you for your opinion, okay? So companies pay thousands and thousands of dollars for people to just talk about certain things, right? Based on what you're interested in and what you want to basically give your opinion about, okay? So this is one website you can get started with. I'm going to give you another one here in a little bit. But yeah, basically really easy. You just join now, you take surveys, you get invited to a group where you guys then get on some phone interviews, and then you answer questions based on that, okay? So you can see for each focus group, you can make $75 to $150 for each one. And I believe they're typically between an hour to 3 hours, depending on the actual focus group, okay? So that's the one website. Let me show you another one here. Another one is usertesting.com. This one's very similar, but it's not really a focus group, but it's yourself, okay? And you're reviewing certain softwares and apps and platforms like this. This is a great one. This is actually when I first started, trying to make money online, I use this one a lot because it's really easy. Literally, you become a tester and you get paid around $60 per test, okay? And then you literally just enter your email and you choose what test you want to get started with, and then you get paid. Really easy, okay? So that's the first way. A second way, guys, is basically sharing your opinion through QMe, okay? Now, with this one, they don't pay straight cash or PayPal. What this is, it's basically an app that pays you based on the things you're already doing, like buying stuff and searching. So for example, if we look here, you can see that they pay you based on what you're searching, right? So they're trying to get data, and based on this data, they're gonna be paying you, okay? So this one, they basically pay you with gift cards, cash rewards, stuff like that, okay? So this one's really cool if you wanna get paid for the stuff that you're already doing, okay? So the third one's interesting, okay? This one's kind of crazy, but people are paying a lot of money for this, and it's called renting a friend, okay? So stick with me, okay? So I'm gonna give you 2 websites for this one, okay? So basically, let's just say you go to a different city and you have no idea, where to go, where to hang out. You can literally rent a friend, okay? So you can be that for somebody, okay? Now, obviously, this is a great way to make extra money because people are looking for people to hang out with and where to go, where can I go to dinner, what bars can I go to, stuff like that, right? So you can be that person. But rentafriend.com is a great place. Another one that I like a little better is showaround.com, and you can see here this girl here is charging $50 per hour. This girl here is charging $80 per hour, so I'm sure based on the location, you can charge a little bit more. This guy's $24 per hour, and this one's $25. So just depending on, I guess, how good you are, you can, it looks like on the low range around $25 up to $80 to $100 per hour. So really interesting way to make money, guys. But, if you like going out, if you like, showing people around, might as well get paid for it. So definitely an option there, okay? So the next way, guys, is onespace.com, okay? So this is more of a freelancing website. So if you're familiar with like Fiverr.com or Upwork, this is similar, but it's specific on one thing, right? So if you're good at Facebook ads, if you're good at Google ads, or if you're a good designer, if you're a video editor, this is a great way to get started, okay? It's not as competitive, and The thing, guys, is when you're first starting out online, freelancing is a great way to make money because you're trading time for money, right? But as you start gaining more money, then you can put it into a passive income system, which I'll talk about here in a little bit. But this is a great website if you have like a particular skill that you want to sell, pretty much. And yeah, I mean, anything that you can do digitally, like I said, video editing, writing, anything like that you can sell, people are willing to pay for that, okay? So it's a great website. The next one is called Google Opinion, okay? So Google Opinion rewards, basically they pay you based on your opinion. So it's gonna be kind of similar to QMe, but this is through Google, and they actually pay you pretty well, okay? And they pay through PayPal. You can download the app. It's basically the Google Opinion Rewards app. You can see here if you go to download the app, obviously you would need to do this on your phone, but they will pay you based on your opinion. And you know, companies pay like millions and millions of dollars to get information. So you can see here, this is all through Google, and they'll pay you based on that. So really, really cool website. Obviously it takes a little bit of hustle to make some money with this, but it's a great way to make extra money from home, especially if you don't have a job. You might as well start doing something you can start making money. And it's a great way you can do it on your phone, okay? Okay, the sixth way to make money is a website called Scribby. Scribby.com. Basically what you do is you write out transcriptions, okay? So for example, I actually use websites like this all the time, okay? So what I do is let's just say I get a YouTube video and I send it to Scribby, okay? Then somebody transcribes that video into words, okay? And people pay a lot of money for this. Obviously I pay for people to do this for me because I want my YouTube video transcribed. So I'll use a website like Scribby. There's another one called rev.com. And you know, you can sign up for both of them. You know, you can go to Scribby or rev.com and you can be a freelance transcriber for these websites. Great way to make extra money. You can see here rates starting at 10 cents per minute. So you can see there that you can make a pretty good amount if you're a fast typer. I think Rev pays per how many words. So I mean, it depends. You know, you'd have to test out which one's better, Scribby or rev.com. But if you want to be a transcriber, if you like typing, great way to make extra money. Like literally, like there's so many ways to make money online, guys, and these are just some of them, okay? Now this last one is my favorite way to make money, and this is how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. And let me show you what it is, okay? This one is called Legendary Marketer, okay? So you can see here that in the past 30 days I've done almost $2,000, and I'm not even actively promoting this at the moment. You know, I am now, but like for the last 3 months I was busy on other stuff, and I still brought in a passive income, okay? So what it is, it's an education platform that teaches people how to start an online business from beginning to end, okay? And this is when I first started, they helped me start my online business, okay? And the only problem with the other 6 ways to make money is you're trading time for money, right? Which is okay in the beginning, right? Because if you need extra money, if you don't have any money, if you don't have a job, then obviously you need to hustle, you need to trade your time for money. But once you make that money, you guys put it into an education, put it into yourself so you can learn how to do this passively, right? I made this passively. I didn't have to actively work to make that money, okay? So you can see that. But let me kind of talk about what it is, okay? So when you first sign up, and guys, it's only $7 to sign up, just letting you guys know that, okay? At the time of this video, okay? But it's a 15-day challenge where it teaches you how to start an online business from beginning to end, okay? So you can see day 1 is the #1 secret to building a high-ticket business. Day 2 is the core 4 top high-ticket business models online. So they kind of go through this whole system. And actually on day 5, it's actually kind of cool. They just added this, but I'm actually on day 5 where they talk about me. So that was really cool. Just kind of want to throw that in there. But anyways, this system, guys, helped me quit my 9-to-5 job. I was working as an electrical engineer. I hated it. And I started educating myself into how can I make money online passively, right? Because there's ways you can do it. There's not passive and there's passive. Not passive is the other 6 ways I showed you because you're trading time for money. Legendary Marketer teaches you how to do it passively, okay? And that's the holy grail, right? That's, you know, going to travel for a month and then being able to still make money. That's the holy grail of the internet. And that's what I wanted to get to, right? Now, my next goal is to get to 6 figures per month, not per year, 6 figures per month passively, okay? I'm still working to get there. I will get there. I just got to continue to do what I'm doing now. But if you want to get started, guys, it's going to be the first link in the description if you want to get started with this company, Legendary Marketer. Like I said, you're going to go through a 7-day challenge. You're going to get started and you're going to start learning how to build a passive income business, okay? And that's what I recommend if you do have a little bit of money to spend. You know, $7, you know, less than, you know, a couple of these Starbucks coffees, right? So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I hope that one of these jobs or one of these ways that you can get started right away and you can start making money, okay? Because we have the internet, you need to utilize the internet and leverage it to make some money, okay? So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Subscribe to the channel. Please hit the notification bell. I'm going to be coming out with a ton of videos that, you know, how to make money online, how to create a full-time passive income. You know, I have a ton of ways, guys, a ton of ways to make money online. So I want to talk about it. So anyways, you guys have a great day. God bless, and we'll talk soon.